to transfer USDT from one platform to another, such as Coinbase. The process is relatively straightforward. First, open the Initial Platforms app and select the Access option at the bottom of the screen. Next, click on the Free Draw button, which will prompt a search bar or a list of cryptocurrencies to appear. Use the search bar or scroll through the list to find USDT. Then click on it. After locating USDT, open the Recipient Platforms app, in this case, Coinbase, and navigate to the Transfer option. From there, select the Receive Crypto option and use the search bar to find USDT, ensuring to select the correct one. Click on the Receive button to obtain the wallet address, and then copy it by clicking the Copy button next to the address. Return to the Initial Platforms app. Paste the wallet address into the designated input box, and select the network that matches the one used in the recipient platform. Verify that both platforms have the same wallet address and network selected. If the asset is on a specific network, such as the BNB network, select that option. Enter the amount of USDT to be transferred and click the Withdrawal button. Following these steps will initiate the transfer of USDT from the initial platform to the recipient platform.